Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sarvarth. So today we will make paper origami sparrow. So let's begin. I have taken 15 into 15 centimeter craft paper. So I am folding this point to this point. Open it. Now you can see middle line formed here. So I am taking this point to the middle line. So I am taking this point to the middle line. Now I am taking this part to the back side like this. So I am taking this point to the middle line like this, and I am doing the same fold to the other side. So I am folding like this, you can see. So I am now taking this outside and pulling this point out and pressing this point down. Like this. And I am doing the same fold to the other side, opening this. Now I am folding like this. Fold like this. Of the paper. Now I am making the beak of the sparrow. Now I am pulling this point down and closing it like this. So it will be like this. So our sparrow is ready. Now I am marking the eyes of the sparrow. So friends, you can mark like this eyes. Now our sparrow is ready. So please subscribe my channel, share it, comment it. Thank you.